Welcome to the RVDIY Garage, presented by RVLED Today's project, a motion-activated LED upgrade. In this task, we will be replacing a single LUMITRONICS ICL54 fixture with one each of the two most popular motion-activated lighting fixtures sold in the RV industry today. The goal will be to determine which LED porch light with motion activation will best improve the RV's exterior lighting for security, convenience, and safety. In the outcome, we will give a detailed comparison of the functionality, installation processes, and the finished product aesthetics for our DIY enthusiasts. So, let's get started. The replacement product considerations for this DIY project are as follows. Will be a MotionSecurity light. Will have a good customer approval star rating. Will need to completely cover the old fixture footprint. Will need to have adjustable sensitivity. Will have to have 2 modes of operation. Will have an actual no BS, high lumen output. Will have a long life expectancy. Will be IP65 rated. Will have polarity guard, automatic input circuitry, polarity correction. Will have IntelliSensor, battery supply voltage sensing circuitry. Will have a long life Fresnel lens with high UV resistance designed to filter out the IR reflections of small animals. And be built from a strong housing material with high resistance to UV degradation. In this presentation, we will compare 2 motion-activated lights commonly found in the RV marketplace today. The first one being the MotionGuard MG1000-450B. This fixture has a high 4.6-star rating on Amazon. The MG1000-450B offers a robust, noble, 450 lumens of bright light at 6500 K, which provides ample illumination and security for exterior spaces. Its adjustable motion sensor boasts a 35-foot range, ensuring optimal coverage around the RV. This fixture has an IP65 rating, which guarantees resistance to water, gust, and bugs. The MotionGuard series of security lighting was designed in the USA by an American OEM designer and built with durability in mind. The other motion-activated light we will be reviewing is the Leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT. This fixture has a below-average 3.9 rating on Amazon. While marketed as a motion-activated light, its 280 lumen output might be insufficient for real adequate outdoor lighting. The fixture's non-adjustable motion sensor has a 20-foot range that is notably shorter than the competitors that potentially limits its effectiveness. Additional concerns have been raised about its build quality and longevity in harsh RV environments. The security light was designed in China by a Chinese designer who may not be well versed in American RVs. One more thing that I have never seen before is a warning like this on Amazon, so it makes me wonder about the quality of the Leisure LED product. It should be noted that consumer reviews for this Leisure LED product often highlight that it has a shorter lifespan and less than ideal performance in cold temperatures. Here we are using the MotionGuard adapter PL fitment chart to choose the correct adapter plate to be used with the MG1000-450B on this project. Just pick the old fixture manufacturer and part number and decide if you want black or white. For this project, the adapter PLB would be the correct pick. It should be noted that this chart is one of many that are listed with every product listing, and if by chance you are unable to find them, just call us. We would be happy to help. The size comparison here between the MG1000-450B mounted to the adapter PLA or bundled name MG1000-450B-A is proportionally correct in size as noted to the leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT motion light. These are the installation instructions that we will be following for the chosen adapter PL-B installation. Please refer to these instructions for detailed guidance. This is the LUMITRONICS ICL54 scare light as mounted on the RV side wall. In the following steps, we'll delve into the installation process for both motion lights, comparing the ease of installation, functionality, and overall finished looks of each. Remove the 4 screws as shown. Caution: be sure you have disconnected the power to the fixture before cutting the power and ground wires. To minimize unnecessary modifications to your new coach, the adapter PL-B was designed to utilize the existing mounting holes and cover any unpainted area left from the removed LUMITRONICS ICL54 scare light fixture. This approach aligns with our philosophy of preserving the original coach design and avoiding any additional drilling or repainting to complete the project. As depicted, the previously used mounting holes from the LUMITRONICS ICL54 scare light fixture will perfectly align with the adapter PL-B, and additionally, the adapter's design ensures that the exposed unpainted area is concealed. And if for any reason you ever need to reinstall the old fixture, you can, as the old holes will be reused. Now, in this step, firmly secure the adapter PL-B in place using these 4 screws provided. Unfortunately, to securely mount the leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT light, you will need to drill 4 new holes. In contrast, the MG1000-450B simply attaches to the adapter PL-B with 4 short screws. Standard features of the leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT motion light are very limited. It has no sensitivity adjustment, no LED mode annunciator, and if it has a day-night photo cell, it is not noted. However, the standard features of the motion guard, MG1000-450B-A, are as follows: adjustable sensitivity by way of a finished knob, LED mode annunciator and battery monitoring circuitry, a day-night photocell for arming the security mode, dusk to dawn, and a sync button allowing the mounting of 2 or more fixtures on one switch. In comparing the finished installation, I believe that any DIY enthusiast would agree that the leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT finished installation looks like crap. But to be fair, the manufacturer hasn't explicitly stated that the fixture was designed to replace a oblong scare light, such as the LUMITRONICS ICL54. While the motion guard MG1000-450B-A replaces the LUMITRONICS ICL54 and looks custom. To compare the light output of these security lights, we'll analyze customer-submitted photos. The leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT appears noticeably subdued in comparison to the motion guard MG1000-450B-A, which boasts impressive brightness, providing maximum visibility and security for your campsite. The following will be a comparative analysis of the replacement product considerations outlined for this project. The motion guard MG1000-450B-A has a star rating on Amazon of 4.5. Whereas the leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT has a star rating on Amazon of 3.9 with a warning I have never seen before. Interesting. This is a proportionally correct size comparison between the two motion lights. MotionGuard is the only RV lighting brand offering custom adapter plates, enabling effortless custom installations. Here, the MotionGuard bundle, MG1000-450B-A, using the adapter PL-B, is an example of one of those custom installations. Fixtures without custom adapter plates often have limited compatibility options, frequently resulting in shoddy installations. When it comes to adjustable sensitivity, the MotionGuard MG1000-450B-A stands out, offering precise control with a convenient fingertip adjustment knob. Unfortunately, the lack of adjustable sensitivity is a drawback for the leisure-led LL-F-PRCH-MOT RV motion light. Both the MotionGuard and leisure LED lights offer porch light and security light modes. The MotionGuard bundle, MG1000-450B-A, delivers a bright 450 lumens with a cool, daylight-like 6,500 Kelvin color temperature that mimics natural daylight from the sun. Whereas the leisure-led LL-F-PRCH-MOT may not provide sufficient campsite coverage due to its dimmer 280 lumen output at 6,500 K. Given the importance of long-lasting outdoor lighting, you should experience lasting peace of mind and reduced maintenance costs with the MotionGuard MG1000-450B-A. Its durable design and impressive 60,000-hour lifespan ensure reliable safety and security for your RV for years to come. A leisure-led LL-F-PRCH-MOT, on the other hand, with its limited lifespan of 20,000 hours, is a significant drawback as it could necessitate more frequent replacements and increased maintenance costs. The two lights are both IP65 rated for water and dust resistance. All MotionGuard lights feature polarity guard technology, which automatically corrects power supply polarity, saving the time and hassle during the installation process. Unlike MotionGuard's advanced polarity guard technology, the leisure-led employs a basic diode for polarity protection. Unfortunately, this means the light won't function if the polarity of the power being supplied is incorrect. MotionGuard fixtures protect your investment with built-in IntelliSensor technology. This intelligent system continuously monitors battery voltage, providing an early warning with a blinking red LED if voltage drops below 11.5 volts for a full minute. Unlike MotionGuard, the leisure-led does not have voltage sensing capabilities. The MotionGuard eliminates false alarms with its advanced high UV-resistant Fresnel lens. This innovative design filters out unwanted IR signals caused by small animals, ensuring precise and reliable detection. The Fresnel lens design of the leisure LED fixture remains unspecified by the manufacturer. You will experience long-lasting performance with Motion Guard's rugged UV-stabilized polycarbonate housing. The leisure LED fixtures are constructed from ABS plastic, which is a less durable material compared to polycarbonate, which may result in a shorter product lifespan. Based on the analysis of the aesthetic and functional differences between the Motion Guard MG1000-450B-A and the leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT, it's clear that the Motion Guard MG1000-450B-A is the superior choice for this DIY project. The MG1000-450 bundle comes in two color options. For black, order the MG1000-450B-A, and for white, order the MG1000-450W-A. Choose the perfect option for your RV or project, and remember that both bundles offer the flexibility of customization. Meet some of the amazing people who have chosen our products. Their satisfaction is a testament to our commitment to quality. If you think this video was awesome, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Thank you for watching, and should you have any questions or need any help, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help.